Hey everyone, want to create custom search plugins in ueli? Ueli's custom web search extension lets you create your own search shortcuts for websites like Google, YouTube, GitHub, Stack Overflow, Wikipedia, and many others. Once configured, you can search your favorite websites directly from the ueli search bar. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to create custom search plugins in ueli step by step. So let's get started. First, launch ueli and open the settings window. Then navigate to the extensions section, where you can enable and configure built-in extensions, including custom web search. Make sure the custom web search extension is enabled. If it's disabled, turn it on so ueli can process your custom search shortcuts. Click Add Search Engine to create a new custom search. Enter a name, choose a short keyword or prefix, and provide the website's search URL using a placeholder for the search query. This tells ueli how to send your search terms to that website. Save your new search engine, then close the settings window. Open the ueli launcher and type your prefix followed by your search term. If everything is configured correctly, your browser will open the matching search results. You can repeat the same process to create shortcuts for Google, GitHub, Wikipedia, Reddit, Stack Overflow, or any website that supports URL-based searches. Assigning short, memorable prefixes makes searching much faster. If you ever want to change a search shortcut, simply return to the custom web search settings. You can edit existing search engines, change their prefixes, or delete ones you no longer use. And that's how to create custom search plugins in ueli. By setting up personalized search shortcuts, you can search your favorite websites directly from the keyboard and speed up your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.